In this video, we will demonstrate our automated self-service enrollment process at NIST's LOA3 standard for a new user creating an account using ID.me. We have designed the customer experience to minimize the level of effort required by the end user to verify their identity. The 4 steps to set up an ID.me account typically only take a few minutes. All the user will need is an accessible email account and potentially a government ID and a mobile phone that can take photos. New users will be given the option to sign in using their existing login, sign in using ID.me, or create an account with ID.me. For this demonstration, we'll assume the user doesn't have an existing account with your agency or ID.me. First, users will need to enter their email address. Next, they'll click a link in the email to confirm their ownership of the email address. Next, users can set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA, to ensure that all their information stays secure, in the unlikely event their email and password are compromised. ID.me offers users several options for MFA. Users can choose to get an SMS-based one-time password, or use a mobile app to receive a push notification or time-based one-time password. Alternatively, they can use a hardware token, such as YubiKey. ID.me also gives users the option to generate a backup recovery code in case they are away from the device they use for MFA or lose access to their accounts. To verify their identity, users are asked to select a verification method. The first option consists of users entering their name, social security number, address, and phone number, and then answering a few questions based on their credit history. Another option is for users to submit photos of their government-issued ID, like a driver's license, passport, or passport card. Users can upload photos of their documents from their computers, if they already have them on file, or take new photos with their mobile phone. Behind the scenes, ID.me first confirms that the documents are legitimate and have not been tampered with, and then abstracts the key data fields needed to perform identity proofing using computer vision. Users will then be asked to enter their social security number after completing the upload. ID.me requires a social security number to uniquely resolve a user's identity and match their information against authoritative data sources, such as utility or financial records. This also ensures that there is only one verified ID.me account per user. Once the user confirms their information, they will give their consent to share their data with your agency. ID.me uses a privacy by design model where the user retains control of what information is shared and with whom. If they do not choose to send their data, they will not be able to use their verified credential at your site. Once the user clicks allow, the process is complete. With their ID.me account, they will be able to quickly log in to your site as well as other ID.me partnered websites.